Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra Dinda and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share about a powerful manifestation technique that I've been using for a year and some of my success stories using it. I don't want to make this video too long, so in the next video, I'll explain in detail on how to use it. But before we begin, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You may have searched here and there for manifestation techniques that may work, from affirmation words, vision board or mood board, and then visualization technique, drawing with your subconscious mind, and then 3-6-9 Nikola Tesla technique, subliminal or whatever it is to reprogram your subconscious mind. Yeah, believe me guys, I've tried all of these techniques and it worked for me. But there's a technique that I would like to share with you and also works for me, and it's called scripting. So basically, you write whatever you want in the journal. It could be health, wealth, romantic partner, abundance, or anything you desire. I call it a scripting journal. So the first thing you write is to express your gratitude to God, divine energy, universe, or whatever you call him in your own way. And in this journal, you write as if you have manifested what you desire. If you're a creative person, maybe you can add a little story of how to get your manifestation. Even though later, the way to getting it won't be the same as what you write in a journal. It's like combining the things you want to manifest with your imagination or your visualization that you pour to your writing. I mean, to make it alive and clearer. So it's like making mood board or vision board, but through your writing. Don't worry guys, if you ain't good at writing, because no one will judge you anyway. You can write 4 or 5 sentences. So yeah, go for it. Now I want to share some of my success stories using this technique. For instance, my health. During the pandemic, I traveled a lot, especially from 2020 to 2021. So I needed to take PCR or antigen test for COVID. Luckily, my test result was always negative, so this is something I'm very grateful for. Okay, I'm gonna read what I wrote for my health, so you have an idea what a scripting journal looks like, or what you can write in it. Okay. Dear God, thank you so much as I'm healthy. I'm grateful for my physical body, all my senses are working harmoniously. Thank you for taking away all my disease. Thank you for protecting me from viruses. My body and energy field only allow your divine energy. I'm open to receive your positive healing energy. Thank you for healing my heart too. A beautiful heart is a gem. I'm opening my heart to you, God. Thank you for giving me strength and hope. I'm strong because of you. Thank you for a miracle of healing. Miracle is real. Thank you, I love you. Maybe some of you are wondering, has this girl ever manifested material things using scripting? Oh yes, I have. I manifested my iPhone 12 Pro within 3 months since I wrote it in my journal. And yeah, it was paid in full, and here's what I wrote. Dear God, thank you so much for giving me a new iPhone 11 Pro Space Gray. Well, I wrote 11 Pro, but I got 12 Pro instead. And the color is Pacific Blue. I'm happy to have a new phone with a wonderful specification. It feels nice to hold it and use it. I can use it to take photos and videos. I can edit and share it. It's nice to use my new iPhone for creating wonderful things. Thank you, because I get a wonderful notification on my iPhone. I receive business calls, emails, and I can use it for my business. It's a great phone and I'm grateful that I have it now. Thank you, I love you. Here I wrote as if the new iPhone was already mine. I made it vivid by visualizing it in my hands, and I acted as if I knew what it would be used for, such as the sort of notification I will receive, emails, photo and video editing. Also, another thing is I could manifest my semester GPA with the target of 3.5 every semester. Since I wrote it in my journal, I even got 4.00 and then 3.74 for my GPA for the last 2 semesters. Hopefully I'll get good grades again. Yeah, the thing about scripting is I just need to read it again if I want to manifest the same thing over and over again. And yeah, it's possible guys. After you write down your intentions, you read them right, and then yeah, just let it be. Your action is still needed, but the manifestation technique can boost your energy to make it form into reality faster. We can say it's like effortless effort. Oftentimes, the things we desire take longer to happen, but it doesn't discourage me if it hasn't manifested yet, because what matters is the belief that it's happening and on its way to me. Usually, the more I don't think about it, the faster it manifests. I know it might sound bizarre for some people, but when you don't think about it too much, it is the time when the miracle happens. Whenever I try to manifest something, I believe that it's happening and I accept it when I'm ready. You may be wondering why I said when I'm ready. Well, have you ever thought that when we are ready to ask for anything, we should be ready to receive it too? Because sometimes what we ask for, it requires responsibility. So the question is, are you ready for it? Just bear in mind, once you think you're ready, then it is yours. I guarantee you guys, what you seek, it will seek you back. Alright, I'm here not only to tell you to try this technique because I know there's a technique called scripting, and then what you should do is blah blah blah. Nope. Just think of this as a real testimony from me, which can convince you to try this technique when other techniques didn't work out for you and you started losing hope. Yes, so give it a try. Thank you guys for watching. Give me likes and comments below, and see you in the next video.